Good evening. My name is Takis J. Dekas, and I'm here to speak out on the persecuted churches all around the world. Thank God we live here in the United States, that we have religious freedom, freedom of worship, but other countries don't, such as places in Asia, India, Africa. There are ways to prevent this persecution and let the message of Jesus Christ go all over the world. One thing we need to do, and I hope that the people that are being persecuted receive this message, including the churches, is to say, I plead the blood of Jesus over my church, and the armor, and a full armor, and a breastplate of righteousness, and a helmet of salvation, to have the commanding angels around us, to prevent persecution, to keep us safe. Also to pray that Jesus will reveal himself to the people that persecute the church. We hope this message will spread throughout the world. I love you all, and God bless you. Thank you.